y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Sharronrenee. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we're going to be doing a review on this wig that I have on right here right now, and I'm really excited because it is really affordable and it's human. So if you want to know more information, keep on watching. Okay, so unfortunately for me, I accidentally deleted the original footage of me styling this wig. But I wanted to show y'all it has 3 combs around the perimeter of the frontal, a comb in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. I had already co-washed it and all of that stuff, and I have been wearing it for like a week. But this is the Deep Wave 20-inch frontal wig. So I wanted to show y'all how quick and simple I apply my wigs, and for me it just looks the most natural with like a little mix of like your regular hair and a wig. And I really only be caring about the part anyway. I mean, if you know any videos of mine, you already know that, but it's really quick and simple and probably purposeless, but I'm gonna show you. So I take a little dab of the Got To Be glue gel, like I promise you, just that much, and then I dab it like where I want the lace to lay the flattest, and it's usually like right in between like my little hairline part and my cap. And then I spray a little bit of the Got To Be glue free spray on my finger, and then I dab it on where I put the Got To Be glue gel, and then I fan it and let it get a little bit tacky, and then I just press it down, and it's really that simple. But I promise you it looks really natural. On camera it's coming up very harsh because of, I guess, the camera settings or whatever, but it looks really natural in person, and I'm gonna add some pictures so you can see. Like, it looks really natural, and I love it. Like, it just works best for me, and I feel like it's not clockable. But yeah, that's really all that I do, and that was super simple and probably, like I said, purposeless, but whatever. So I just kind of fluffed the hair out. Like I said, I have been wearing that wig for a while, so it's kind of already styled, but I wanted to kind of demonstrate for y'all since I had accidentally deleted everything. But yeah, then I add some powder to the part to just help camouflage the cap, and that is all. Told you, simple, but it's cute. Okay, so as I said, this is a 13x4 frontal wig. It is deep wave. It's 20 inches long. It is big head friendly, minimal shedding. Hairline does come pre-plucked, but you're always welcome to go in and like customize it, you know, get it to how you want it to be. Let me just tell you, I'm obsessed. I've never had deep wave hair. I never had a deep wave wig. Like, I never had any type of deep wave hair, and so I'm really excited to add this to the site. I love it. I think it's so cute, and I think that you could do the wet look with this as well, but it doesn't curl up. It's just a really pretty wave. If I need to remember to insert pictures of like how it look when it's wet, because I like the way it look when it's wet, but I love it like this. Like, it's really my vibe. Like, I really love big hair. I mean, you know, if you watch any of my videos, like, I really love me some big messy kind of like hair. Like, that's just my favorite. I feel like it looks best on me. So it does look nice, like uniformed and wet, and it's a really pretty wave. I mean, it's deep wave hair, but I like it best brushed out. Like, well, it's not brushed out. I didn't brush it. I just kind of went in and, like, you know, messied it up a little bit, because I just love messy hair. I also love messy hair because I don't like to feel like, oh my gosh, is a hair out of place? Like, I like to feel like even if a hair is out of place, it look normal because all the hairs is out of place. I hate to feel self-conscious when I'm out and about. That's why I don't like to like lay lace and stuff like that. I mean, my hairline don't agree with it, but also too, like, you gotta be too like, are they looking at my lace? Like, I honestly feel like when I walk around with my wigs like behind my hairline, it's harder to tell like where the lace start. Whereas like if you just have no hair nowhere and it's like just starting off with lace, like, I just feel like it's just, no matter how good you lay it down, it's a little noticeable. But yeah, I just don't like to feel self-conscious. I don't like to carry a brush with me. I don't like to have to worry about my hair. So I just like it messy anyway. I wanted to add some cheaper wigs to the site. So the 13x4s are cheaper than the 13x6s for obvious reasons, right? For one, you don't get as much parting space, and then for two, the construction, like, the 13x4s do not come with the elastic band, which you know, the elastic band on a wig really makes it glueless. Like, you don't really have to do anything to it because the elastic band helps it to like lay down flat. So the 13x4s do not come with an elastic band, and it's a 13x4, not a 13x6. Quality is still good. It is not as good as the 13x6 quality, but the quality is still good. So you get a good bang for your buck. A lot of times, like, people don't care about having like a bunch of parting space and like laying the frontals down and stuff like that, like myself included. I am not really one who does a lot of like styling with the lace and with the wig and stuff like that. I'm a middle part or a side part because that's just the quickest for me. Like, I gravitate to wigs more so for the texture or like the style, opposed to this, like, you know, actually styling it and laying the lace down and all of that stuff. Are you interested in like the frontal aspect and that's why you gravitate towards human wigs, or are you more so like you just like me and you want the texture and you want to be able to wear it over and over and over again and not have to worry about after 5 times it kind of being trash? Because I think that for me, for my synthetic wigs, I gravitate to my synthetic wigs for like color and like the different styles that will stay put, where you don't have to worry about the curls dropping or whatever the case may be. Like, that's what I gravitate to my synthetic wigs for. But for just like, if I just want to keep on wearing a wig over and over and over again and just real natural, then I gravitate more towards human wigs. But it varies. Like, sometimes I will gravitate to a synthetic wig because it is already like pre-styled and I don't have to do nothing to it. But then I feel like wearing a synthetic wig every day, because for me, whatever wig I start the week off with, I commit to it and I wear it for the next 5 days while I'm going to work. So for me, I don't want to mess my synthetic wigs up, so I usually just pop them out like if I'm going somewhere, like for a look, like, you know what I'm saying, because they are pre-styled already and they gonna hold that style all day. But for like wearing on an everyday basis to work and stuff like that, I feel like a human wig, I can wear it over and over and over again and not have no issue. But a synthetic wig, if I was to try to wear it for 5 days in a row, by like day 3 or 4, she kind of gonna be trash, like, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm just, you know, hanging in the balance. But it depends. Some synthetic wigs can hang, like that bang wig, that $18 Futures Equal bang wig, I wore it all week and it was still in really good shape. But I think that it just depends on the texture, because you know, with some wigs, once you add heat to them, they bounce right back. But with other synthetic wigs, once you wear them out, they just worn out. So it really just depends on the texture. But anyways, I'm getting chatty, so I'm gonna try to incorporate more wigs that have the 13x4, hence the cheaper price. Really excited about the 13x4s. I can't wait to add more textures. So if you're interested in the wig, I will leave the direct link down in the description box for you to check it out. And give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are new, and jump down in the comments and let me know what you think. Like, are you a girl who does not really care too much about the parting space and more so the texture, or do you buy human wigs specifically for the frontal aspect of it? So yeah, let me know. I would like to know that. Wrist is killing me. I don't know what's going on with my wrist, y'all. Like, it hurts so bad. I feel like the pain is just increasingly getting worse, and I don't know what the joke is. But anyways, I'm gonna go. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.